PortaOne offers workflows to help you reduce the effort of writing and maintaining custom code when you need to synchronize data between PortaBilling and other systems. For example, when activating SIM cards in a mobile network or keeping customer data up to date in a CRM system. PortaOne Workflows includes two solutions: New Service Provisioning System and Boomi Low-Code Platform. Let's compare them side by side so you can decide which one better fits your needs. Let's start with what each solution is designed to do and where it makes sense to use it. The New Service Provisioning System, or NSPS, is a lightweight cloud provisioning system. It is designed to be used for real-time provisioning of subscriber data from PortaBilling into external systems. This includes actions like SIM activation, plan changes, and other subscriber lifecycle events. Typical target systems are mobile network components, such as HSS or PCRF, or other systems, such as IPTV, that deliver some service to an end user. Boomi is a low-code integration platform for the automation of business workflows between PortaBilling and enterprise applications, such as CRM, ERP, finance accounting, helpdesk, and many more. Its advantage is that you can utilize already published connectors to applications such as HubSpot or SAP. This solution is typically used for multi-step scenarios with complex logic. For example, when a new IoT customer orders SIM cards, the order and payment are recorded in the ERP system. The warehouse prepares a shipment of SIM cards with specific ICC IDs. At this point, a workflow in Boomi coordinates the entire business process. It verifies that the SIMs exist in PortaBilling, creates a customer in PortaBilling and assigns SIM cards to the customer, initiates shipment with the logistics provider, updates the order status in the ERP system, and sends a confirmation to the customer with delivery details and self-care portal credentials. Now let's look at what it takes to implement each solution and who typically works with it. With NSPS, you need to write code for a small microservice called a connector. This connector is called when an event, such as SIM card activation or product change, occurs in PortaBilling. The connector receives all necessary information, such as customer info or which service features are allowed by the customer's product, as input. So it just needs to update the external system through its API. To build such a connector, you need a developer familiar with basic REST and JSON. The connector can be implemented in any modern programming language using the OpenAPI scheme. The link is provided in the description. New connectors can be created based on the open-source connector sample using AI coding assistance. NSPS extracts the data, such as service configuration settings of a subscriber, from PortaBilling and passes it to the connector, so developers do not need to run the PortaBilling API. NSPS also manages event queuing, retries, and even replay of the events that failed during the first attempt. For example, because of some misconfiguration of an external system. So the connector is stateless, basically just calling the external API method with the correctly populated parameters. This makes it very easy to develop. To speed things up, PortaOne provides a working connector for World Telecom Labs HSS as an example. It is written in Python with the Fast API framework, and the source code is available on PortaOne's GitLab page. You can study it and fork your own project by adding your custom logic to work with the API of the needed external system. With the Boomi platform, the approach is different. It's used for complex scenarios that, in addition to the subscriber service configuration, involve other various entities such as customer information, invoices, charges, and payments. So it is perfect for tasks like synchronizing invoices and payments from PortaBilling into an accounting system like QuickBooks or Xero, so your finance team always has up-to-date data. Transferring customer or order information from a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce into PortaBilling to automatically create accounts after a sale is closed. Integrating with an ERP to manage device shipments or provisioning actions when new services are ordered, or connecting a ticketing system to automatically generate support tickets to schedule fiber CPE installation, etc. You can leverage hundreds of pre-built connectors available in the Boomi platform, developed and maintained by Boomi and its partner ecosystem, to quickly connect PortaBilling with widely used business applications such as Salesforce, HubSpot, SAP, and many more, without building connectors from scratch. On top of that, PortaOne provides ready-to-use sample integrations for common telecom use cases, such as automated invoice and payment synchronization with an external accounting system, customer data exchange between CRM and billing, or automatic ticket creation in a support system based on billing or provisioning events, which you can use as templates and adjust only the parameters you need. Alternatively, if your scenario is unique, you can create a custom integration in the Boomi base using its visual no-code UI or low-code scripting. You need someone who will run Boomi's architecture and low-code programming. Workflows are configured using no-code tools or extended with low-code scripting such as JavaScript or Groovy. The integrator may also need to understand how to fetch data directly from PortaBilling using the PortaBilling API, how to manage Boomi event streams for message queues and multi-step processes. Next, let's look at how each solution is deployed and operated. NSPS itself is deployed and managed by PortaOne in the cloud. Your company hosts and manages custom microservices or connectors that update a specific external system. A connector can be deployed as a Docker container in a cloud environment, such as Google Cloud or AWS. It can also be deployed on your on-premise infrastructure. The Boomi platform workflows are built and managed, runs in the cloud, and does not require local installation. The Boomi runtime, where workflows are executed, can be deployed in two ways: in cloud infrastructure, either managed by your company or managed by Boomi, AWS, or PortaOne, OCI, on infrastructure located in your own environment, such as your data center, local servers, or even a bookkeeper's laptop. Setting up Boomi involves importing workflow templates, adjusting them to match your business logic, and deploying them to the runtime environment where they are executed. Boomi workflows support multiple trigger types. They can start automatically in response to events, such as webhooks, run on a defined schedule, for example, nightly data synchronization, or be launched manually when needed. Pricing for PortaOne Workflows is primarily based on the number of events processed per month. To determine which pricing tier is appropriate for your expected load, please contact your sales representative. For your specific case, we will analyze the anticipated number of events to be processed and provide a pricing estimate. For Boomi-based workflows, there is also an option to use an unlimited usage model that only depends on the number of systems connected, which often makes sense for high-volume applications. To sum up, the difference comes down to what you need to build and how you want to build it. NSPS is a lightweight cloud provisioning system used for real-time, subscriber-level provisioning. It fits simple, one-step provisioning actions and requires building small connector microservices. Boomi is used for building complex, multi-step workflows that synchronize PortaBilling with business applications. For any assistance in choosing which technology within PortaOne Workflows is best for you, make sure to reach out to your account managers, who will be happy to assist you.